Today I'm gonna teach you how to create a new Airtel APN settings. If you're watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe. First of all, you have to open the settings in your Android phone and find the option access point name. In my case, it is in mobile networks. So find the option access point name. In my case, there is a default one. We are going to create a new one. For that, click the plus icon and follow my steps. Give the name Airtel space GPRS and APN as Airtel GPRS.com and find the option of APN type. Type like this: default, comma, SULP, comma, AGPS, comma, FOTA. Okay. Open the APN protocol. Select it as IPv4 bar IPv6 and APN roaming protocol as IPv4. Then click the three dots and save the APN. Enable the created APN and come to home. After that, you have to put the phone in airplane mode. After a while, please re-enable it and use the internet. Thanks for watching my video.